swim like a turtle. What kept you?
A few more seconds and I would have had you.
Please, I beat you easy. I'm lodging a protest. You guys cut me off.
Cleo, you were so far behind me, I forgot you were even there.
Winning isn't everything, you know.
And that is why you're third. I'll beat you on the way back.
You'll try. I'm just faster than you. How many more times do I have to beat you to prove that? This isn't hot chocolate. This is lukewarm chocolate. They should say lukewarm chocolate on the menu if that's what they're going to serve. Thanks, Ricky. Ow. Whoa. Ricky, too hot. Try that. Perfect.
I'm going to pretend I didn't see that.
Excellent. I'll pretend you're interesting.
So, you mean you're not interested in how I'm going to save you from the full moon tonight?
You can do that.
Maybe.
Give it a rest, you two. Every month the full moon hits one of us. And every month crazy stuff happens.
Yes, but preparation is 9/10 of the battle.
No offense, Lewis, but we've already prepared. Yep, I've taped up all the curtains in my room. No light can get in.
And I'm going to zip myself up inside my sleeping bag under my doona.
And my bedroom's sealed. Totally lightproof. We need to avoid the moon's reflection too, remember?
Guys, stop. No, I've got it all covered. I've just downloaded a new astronomy program. It shows the night sky from any place on Earth. It's very accurate. I've got a theory that the moon's power over you guys has something to do with planetary alignments.
And you can do something about that?
I'll need to calculate the moon's position relative to other celestial bodies to verify my theory.
I'd rather just hide in my sleeping bag.
Yeah, Lewis, thanks, but we don't need your help.
Oh, really? Moon rises at precisely 8:37 p.m. and sets at 7:59 a.m. I've got it all worked out. See, they don't call me Mr. Capable for nothing.
No one calls you that.
Oh, they will.
What are you doing in my room?
I'm just going to borrow this.
No, you're not. I just bought it.
But I don't have anything to wear. I don't want to look like a loser at my first real adult concert. I want to look cool.
Not my problem. Go find something in your own cupboard. Off you go.
Hey, just because Mum and Dad are split up, it doesn't mean you're in charge. You can't tell me what to do.
Oh, yeah? How's this? Stay out of my room.
Dad! Cleo won't let me borrow anything.
Cleo, we need to sort this out.
Yeah, tell her to stay out of my room.
Tell her not to be so selfish.
Girls, please. I liked it better when your mother handled these things. Not that we can't work this out together, right? Cleo, you're taking Kim to the concert tomorrow.
Me? What? I don't even like the dysfunctionals.
Look, your mother bought 2 tickets to this concert before she left.
Dad, it's not your fault.
Your mother made a choice, Cleo. That's not what this is about. I have to be at a fishing co-op meeting all day. And we have to pull together as a family, now more than ever. Someone has to look after Kim at this concert.
I can go on my own.
No, that's not an option. You're taking her.
But all my friends will be there. No one else is going to have their big sister looking after them. I'm not a baby.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Look, Kim, Cleo's taking you tomorrow. That's settled. Now, get your things. You'll be late for netball.
Fine. Oh! I hate this thing. It always spurts up in my face. What's wrong with it?
Maybe you overfilled it. Come on, you can drive in the car.
Lewis, we're waiting. What's the story?
Well, I have been examining all the data, cross-referencing gravitational pull, lunar tidal effect,
And
and I'm still working on it.
Lewis, how much did this program cost you?
Like I said, I downloaded it off the net.
Yeah, but how much did it cost you?
$24.95?
Lewis, you got ripped off.
Oh, come on. Guys, I am onto something here. I'm not sure how the moon force works on you the way it does. It's weird.
It's weird. Thanks, Lewis. We walked all the way over here for nothing.
Anyway, guys, it's getting late. We should go home and lock ourselves away.
Relax. We've got at least an hour before the moon rises.
Look, I can't just sit around and wait. I'm going home.
Me too. Hey, do you think there's still time to get a burger? I'm kind of hungry.
Ricky?
Kidding.
Lewis, we're leaving. Call each of us the minute the moon rises.
Yep.
It's important, Lewis. Check on us. In case something happens.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
We're gonna go upstairs and have a pillow fight in our gym jams. Wanna come?
Sounds interesting.
Hopeless.
Go straight home. Don't stop off anywhere. No chance of that. Good luck. You too.
What are you...
The angle of the moon and Venus constantly changes. Venus is the closest planet and can be seen with the naked eye. Interesting. Wait, the time. It's not right. Ah, I get it. It's Korean software. It's set on Korean time. So, the night sky here is 1 hour earlier. That means the moon's up already. Girls, don't... Girls? Guys! Whoa. Stop. Don't look at the water. Turn around and come back to the house. Good. It's me. It's Lewis, your friend. No. Don't do that. You're just gonna make things... worse.
Your boyfriend.
Lewis.
Emma. Lucky I found you. Where are the others? Leo. Are you alright?
You have to leave, Lewis.
We told you. We don't need your help.
I was really worried about you. I take full responsibility for everything that's happened. Let's go home.
We are home.
I know. But I'm thinking you'll be more comfortable in your own bed. Let's go. We'll get you all out of this moonlight. Oh! Going on?
You can't take us.
Finest fish in the ocean.
What?
You, the shiniest pearl, the perfect jewel. Did you sleep well?
All right.
Cleo, I want some toast.
Make it yourself.
You're supposed to be taking care of me, Dad said.
I'm not your slave, Kim. Make your own toast.
Dad?
Sorry, girls, I've got to run. You work it out.
I'll have one jam and one honey.
I said, get it yourself.
Fine, I'll have this instead.
ghost. And I iced up a whole room. It's like our powers have changed.
And they're out of control.
Did anything go on last night? There was a full moon. I don't remember anything else. What did we do? I don't know. Was Lewis with us? There's a message.
Look, Cleo, I know you won't get this message until you transform back to normal, but I'm sorry, and I'm coming. I'm nearly at Mako.
Transform back.
Why was he going to Mako Island at night? Maybe he was looking for us.
Already calling the Mako Island cyclone. A sudden and severe electrical storm struck the Mako Island area late last night, with winds reaching over 200 kilometers an hour. Meteorologists are puzzled by the sudden weather event and have no idea what caused it. Police have recovered a small aluminium boat adrift in the water nearby. Investigations are continuing.
Are you sure this is where Lewis Morse's boat?
Maybe he just went fishing.
I'm coming, he said. I'm getting a really bad feeling.
If he was out there in that storm.
Something horrible has happened to him.
We don't know that for sure.
Come on. I've searched the beaches and the lagoons. No sign of him. What about you?
Not a trace. I didn't see a thing.
I did. Lewis's torch. I found it by the rocks.
You're sure it's his?
I gave it to him last Christmas.
You don't think...
No.
Cleo, we'll keep looking until...
Please, don't hurt me.
I can't believe we did those things to you.
It was like you were possessed.
I mean, the full moon does horrible things to us.
And we couldn't do things like that before, like creating wind or storms.
Or lightning.
You used to be in control.
You sure it's gonna take ages? I'll just dry them.
Why are my shorts on fire?
Oh, slightly charred, still wearable.
Thank you. Really, thank you.
Lewis, you know we never hurt you intentionally.
Yeah, I know. But something's changed.
Yeah, but why?
It's just too dangerous. Yeah, we can't use our powers until we know what's going on.
Especially not in public.
Or near me.
Or near our families. Oh, no. Kim? Kim!
Maybe she went out.
The concert. I was supposed to take her to the concert.
She wouldn't go on her own, would she?
Quick, we've got to find her before Dad...
Hello. How was it, Cleo? Hi, guys.
The concert?
Yeah, was it fun? Did Kim have a good time? Where is she?
Well, Dad,
Hello, Dad.
Here's my little muffin. How was the concert?
It was the best, Daddy. They played all their hits and the crowd just screamed and screamed.
It sounds like you had a great time. See? It wasn't so bad going with your big sister after all, was it? Right?
Right.
Well, I'm glad you two finally worked things out. Nice top, Kim.
So, the way I see it, I keep this top and we never mention this ugly incident again.
But Kim...
Let's not debate this, Cleo. Let's be adult about it.
I don't think that's a good idea.